Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about one of the greatest war general. It is said that he was himself the son of all the gods Zeus. Yes, so today we're gonna talk about Alexander the Great. So yes, let's begin with the first episode of Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great, or known as Alex, was born on 20 July 356 BC, and his father was Philip II, the king of Macedonia, and his mother was Olympia, and she was a magician. Well, the early life of Alexander describes that he was a very down to earth and courageous child. Alexander was tutored from a very strict teacher, Leonidas, and that is how he learned to fight, read, and ride on horses also. Well, there is also a very famous incident that I may tell you. So basically, a trader from Thessaly bought a horse, and the worst part was that no one was able to control that horse. In simple words, you can say that the horse was out of control. And when Alexander was only 10 years old, he just controlled the horse with just a touch, which seemed to be impossible. On seeing this, Philip II, his father, was full of pride and said, "My boy, you must find a kingdom for your ambitions. Macedonia is too small for you." And do you know that from that very point that horse belonged to Alexander only, and Alexander named it as Bucephalus. And do you know that Bucephalus took him to the way to India when he was on his way to conquer the whole world? Okay, so let's get back to the topic. Now, Alexander was 13 years old, and Leonidas wasn't really enough for him. Thus, Philip began searching for another tutor. Well, Aristotle, the one of the best warriors, or you can say one who has scholared in all the fields, and he was the best Philip found for Alexander. And Philip provided Aristotle and Alexander the temple of Nymphs at Mysa as a place where they would study, or you can say classroom. Well, we are aware of a tradition in which one has to repay one's teacher or guru after a period of study or the completion of education, or in simple words, you can say Guru Dakshina. So, the same way, Aristotle was given a chance to ask anything from the King Philip. Aristotle asked Philip to rebuild his hometown Stageria, which was destroyed by Philip, and to repopulate by freeing the ones who were slaves and the ones in exile. Well, Philip agreed to the same. So, yes, now Aristotle was the new tutor of Alexander. Aristotle taught Alexander about almost everything like philosophy, morals, logic, etc. At the age of 16, Alexander's education under Aristotle ended, and just then he was engaged in a war with Byzantium where he showcased his courage and powers. He embarked his first military expedition against Thracian tribes. In 338 BC, Alexander took the charge of Campanian cavalry and defeated Athenian and Theban armies and Chaeronea. And that is why it is also known as the Battle of Chaeronea. Hey guys, over here I would like to end this episode. In the next episode, we are going to discuss about the spoiling relations between Philip and Alexander. Well, thank you for watching. If you did like this episode, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel.